Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everyone. The Honorable Miss Yeti Lastuti SPD MSI as a lecturer in English courses. Let me introduce myself. My name is Naila Fatima Zahra with student ID number is 17016244031 from the Economics Education Study Program, Faculty of Economics and Business, State University of Jakarta. In this opportunity, I will discuss news about Indonesian education, specifically in Papua. To be precise, in June 2024, regarding of the province of Papua, which has not fulfilled the minimum mandatory spending on education of 20%. The Ministry of Home Affairs revealed that the provincial government in Papua has not met the minimum mandatory spending on education of 20%. Directors of Finance, Horace Maurits, said the West Papua is the province with the smallest allocations of education fund at 3.59% of the regional expenditure. In his speech, he also said that no provincial government in Papua has allocated more than 10% of the education budget. In accordance with mandate in regulations UUD 1945, Chapter 31, Paragraph 4, that the state is obligated to allocate 20% of the APBN and APBD for the education budget. Because education is the right of all Indonesian citizens. The government budgets for Indonesian education itself is quite large. But if the allocations is not on target or even misused, then education participations will not be realized. It is sad to hear that the governments in Papua doesn't even touch the minimum budgets for education. Education should be a long-term investment for the country, but the government itself is the barrier. How can the goals and ideals of our nations to educate the nation's life be realized? How can Indonesians be at least comparable to other countries? Education is the foundations of the value of country. Developing human resources start with quality educations. The government should be aware of this. Equitable education must occur in every region in Indonesia, not only focus on the island of Java. It seems unfair if the growth of the country is only focused on the central city. But in this case, further investigation is needed because the central government itself is supposed to have provided a budget for the regions, but the allocations of education is very small than it should be. This is an additional task in monitoring budget funds so that there is not misused by certain individuals. Hopefully, this case can be further evaluation so that the government continues to pay more attention to education in Indonesians, not only giving to each regions but still ensuring that the funds are used properly. So that's all for me. Thank you. Good afternoon. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.